revolution, still they love me. If I don't let it go to my head, I'll rise above it. There's something going on in the world, dark forces align. You think it's just a pop song, our brothers are dying. Where my Nubians at? True to the craft, represent. Hip-hop's a jumbling pot, let's let some others in. Burn one, let it reside until the chest and end. Exhale, we rebel against Babylon. Worldwide renegade, certified philosophy. Obviously somebody in charge has got a problem with me. That's alright though. I got my soldiers with me, men and women, different races and religions riding with me. This one, all my homies back home. That be sending me texts saying I see your boy, the moment's on. Damn right, and there's nothing that's more important to me. And it's a matter of time before the real ride. Been a long ride before the real ride. Swear a long time before the real ride. Finally come moving there. Next to nothing is love.
So why y'all keep on faking the fun? We gonna keep on walking through the darkness carrying our torches. Underground will live forever, baby.
They put poison in the black man's melody. Look at these lost souls rapping nowadays, man. It's hard for me to be mad at them, cause truthfully they too lit to know what they doing, so I'm just laughing at them. But trust me when I tell you that this is not a joke. They had their moment, can't wait till mumbling rappers come. More than the puppets, I wonder who actually pulls the ropes. Reality, television, internet, cellular phones. This one for my homies back home. That be sending me texts saying I see your boy, the moment's on. Damn right, and there's nothing that's more important to me. And it's a matter of time before the real ride. Been a long ride. Swear a long time. Finally come moving there. Next to nothing is love. Been a long ride before the real ride. Swear a long time. Finally come moving there. Next to nothing is love. Worldwide, y'all. Noah King, Soul Chef. What up, JBP? Bless it. What you say now?
Name the Josh.